We will start at exactly 10 o'clock. Please be live. Join in for the emotional therapy laughter yoga session.
So, be ready.
Yes, comment your responses. What do you feel about laughter yoga? Good morning to everyone.
Good morning. Hello.
It's a Saturday and we are all set for an emotional therapy session, laughter yoga. Get ready, join with your family members. Bring them together and laugh. We'll start at exactly 10 o'clock. So please be live. Till then, comment. What do you think laughter yoga is? What are the benefits?
Or first time? Or already experience? Let's start. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
And hello, all welcome to the Khushi Se Yoga session with me, Sundar Bishnoi.
Ashok Bishnoi.
Thanks to Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance to start this fitness from home initiative. जब सोच पे no lockdown तो life goals पे no lockdown. So stay home, stay safe. So the laughter yoga started by Dr. Madan Kataria. Created by in 1995, now practiced in 100 countries and over 16,000 clubs in all over world. So what is laughter yoga? Laughter yoga is combination of laughter exercise and deep breathing which oxygenate our body and brain and make us feel healthy and energetic. So it is based on scientific fact that our body stand between. Comments the benefit of laughter yoga.
So what are the benefits of laughter yoga? We want to know from everyone. What do you think?
Please comment in box.
Yes, very good. Never heard about laughter yoga? So you would have seen in clubs, various parks, people laughing aloud.
Clapping, sound, and make a circle.
Okay, so the benefits for everyone.
So it's elevate mood, stress, oxygen to brain, and connects friends and
So it connects friends and families.
positive attitude.
So if you are practicing laughter, you can deal with the problems much better because you have that thing in your mind where you can take down any stress, take down any anxiety or take any problems with you in your life you will laugh through the problems.
So,
Yeah, that's too much of gyan. Now let's begin the laughter yoga session. Everybody all set?
so before start, we do deep yogic breathing. So all first close your eyes. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Or you can sit any meditative pose and just slowly close your eyes. Then just take long inhale and deep exhale. Long inhale and deep exhale. Long inhale, deep exhale. Long inhale and deep exhale. Relax. Slowly open your eyes. Okay, so we start with clapping. So the clapping, this way you are full clapping, not this time. So this way with full sound. Very good acupressure. Okay, now we add the sound with clapping. The sound is ho ho ha ha. Those are who new. Okay, so with clapping, with sound.
Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha.
So first we go down with inhale, come back, then with sound. First to try with breathing, just slowly first go down and just inhale, then exhale, go down. One more time, inhale and exhale, go down. Now with sound, yeah. So go down, come back with sound, and then start laughing. It's a fake laugh. So slowly go down, come with sound, yeah. Two more time, yeah. Go down, yeah. Clapping. Ho ho ha ha. 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 Okay.
Now all of them together from beginning. We start with breathing. Those who have joined us late will start with again breathing and then clapping and then the ho ha ha all together.
So now it's
Deep breathing.
and slowly exhale. In deep breathing, you try slowly and slowly exhale. So long inhale and exhale. Long inhale, very slowly and deep exhale. Long inhale, deep exhale. Okay, now Bhramri. Okay, so
Now clapping. Second is clapping. Ho ho ha ha. Ho ho ha ha. Ho ho ha ha. Ho ho ha ha.
now wait. Go down with sound.
Yeah. Ha ha ha.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha. Yeah. Ha ha ha.
Ho ho ha ha. But this time ho ha changing. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, very good,
Very good.
very good,
Very good. Very good.
and
Yay.
hands in up and yay.
So. Very good. Very good. Yay. Very good. Very good. Yay. Very good. Very good. Yay. Very good. Very good. Yay.
Now,
So these are some of the very good techniques to begin with laughter yoga. These will energize your body, and slowly we'll go to advanced laughter techniques as described by Dr. Madan Kataria. So next one is very good, which is up and down clapping. We'll first have a demonstration and then you can join us. I will give the demo. So we start with clapping. Ho.
from down, ho, ho, ha, ha. One up and down. So go down, ho, ho, ha, ha. Full movement in your body. So go down, ho, ho, ha, ha. Okay, now together.
Ho, ho,
Ha, ha,
ho,
ho,
ha,
ha. Now
ho.
with change direction. Both the side 2 times. All together, join. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha.
Now everybody with us. This was just a demo. You have to join with us.
So all.
Ready?
Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha.
Ho, ho, ha, ha. And relax. So
Just relax.
just take deep breath, inhale and exhale. Relax yourself. Now we'll go to key start. So you have to imagine that you are starting a key. Ha ha ha. You are starting a car. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Now everybody join us.
Join us. So, with loud. So again, clapping.
Ho, ho, ha, ha. 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 So,
So now change is lone mover, means grass cutter.
so everybody has seen how grass cutter starts? Yes? Definitely. Everybody has done grass mowing some of the other time, or they have seen some videos. So we'll have a laughter yoga on that. So first just go down. Ha. Ha. Ha ha ha. 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 Ha ha ha. 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 Ha ha ha. Same with other direction also. Ha. Ha. Ha ha ha. 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 Ha ha.
Now-
So everybody now will join us. Yes, you have to. This is the
Try.
best one.
Yeah, so try with loud. Okay? Start.
Ha. Ha. Ha ha ha. 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 Ha ha ha. 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 Ha ha ha. Other direction. Ha. Ha. Ha ha ha. 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 Ha ha ha. And relax. Relax your breathe.
Just deep breathe. Close eyes.
Relax yourself. Laughter yoga activates your body and you have a lot of energy, so it is very important to regularly calm yourself down. Now, very important, in yoga we have Simhasan, which is lion pose. which activates your thyroid gland and an important part of laughter yoga. So keep your hands on your knees or your thighs. Come in a comfortable position.
Little bit bend your knees.
Keep your tongues out and shout. After this, you will feel like a lion. So that is why it is called lion pose. Everybody join us. This is very helpful for anybody having thyroid issue. If you practice daily 3 to 4 times in a month, 2 months, you will have immense improvements in your thyroid.
But do not try more than 2 or 3 times only. Remember, it will hurt your, okay? So start. One more time with loud.
And relax.
And massage on your neck. Gently massage. Then relax, eyes closed.
Now for those who have joined us late, we'll have a recap from beginning, from first to the last one. And those who have joined early and are from practicing from the beginning, we'll practice all of them together. So we'll start with breathing, deep breathing first.
Okay, now clapping. Okay, now go down with sound. Yeah. Slowly go down. Yeah. 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 And relax. Now side clapping.
And relax.
So now key.
Key, yes, you have to start the key. I think already everybody is charged up, but still we'll start the car as well.
This time more loud. So start.
And relax.
And now lone mover,
The best one, the best among the laughter yoga activities.
grass cutter. So slowly bend.
Ha, 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 ha. Change. Ha, 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 and relax.
So just relax.
Normal breathe, relax yourself. Now, the yogic simhasan, all of us will be feeling like lions after this.
No overbend, remember. Out your tongue and sound. One more time only. Ready? And again, massage on your throat. And relax. Just normal breathe.
Relax yourself. Now we have done a lot of laughter yoga. We'll do the sequence once more for people who have joined us now or those who have practiced. This is the major activities which we do in laughter yoga. We do more times, but now since people log in, log off, so we have divided the steps into the series so that you can practice again and again with your family, with your friends as well. So we'll start with breathing. This time please practice very loudly because after this we'll have a guided meditation or relaxation session for 3-5 minutes. So do your best, laugh loud.
This time we start with Namaskar. This way, greet everyone and with laugh. Okay, so Hari Om. So one more time. Now
Start with clapping. Ho, ho, ha, ha. 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 And relax.
slowly go down. With sound. Yeah.
Yeah. Ha, ha, ha.
Yeah.
Ha, ha, ha.
Yeah.
Ha, ha, ha.
Okay, relax. Now, again. First,
Sorry.
key.
Key, yes.
Don't forget key. Okay, so.
Hmm. Hmm. Ha, ha, ha. Hmm. Hmm. Ha, ha, ha. Hmm. Hmm. Ha, ha, ha. Now, side clapping. Ho, ho, ha, ha. 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 Ho, ho, ha, ha.
With this, we continue. Lone mover.
Hmm. Hmm. Ha, ha, ha. Hmm. Hmm. Ha, ha, ha. Hmm. Hmm. Ha, ha, ha.
Now train.
Hmm. Hmm. Ha, ha, ha. Hmm. Hmm. Ha, ha, ha. Hmm. Hmm. Ha, ha, ha. This is the best one. So you can practice any time of the day. Just remember the lawn mover and laugh aloud. Now, all the people who are live with us, do share your comments how you're feeling right now. You're feeling happy, you're feeling energized. Do share your comments, your feedback, and the benefits which we shared initially in the session. Do describe them, whether you're feeling which of the benefits right now, even just after half an hour of session.
So don't forget the comment, laughter of the benefit.
Now, only once, but Simhasan. For those who have joined us now, practice 2 to 3 times, but others who joined us from 10 o'clock, only practice once. Take your tongue out.
And
And relax. Now just sit down at wherever you are, or just lie down. We'll have a guided meditation, relaxation, because we have done too much of activity. All the people.
okay, so we start meditation with Bhramari. So in Bhramri, you just take long inhale, and while exhaling, make a humming sound. So first take long inhale and sound. So all together, remember any meditative pose, but your back is straight, back and neck one line. Now full inhale. Full inhale. And relax. Just relax your mind, your breath, and slowly focus on your breath. Feel your breath, how inhale, how exhale. Just focus on your breath. Feel every one breath in and out. Remember, your face is relaxed. Smile on your face. Do not stretch. Your face is fully relaxed. Smile on your face. Just focus on your breath. Feel your breath. Now slowly focus middle of the eye. Do not force yourself, just try to focus. Now try full body relax, step by step. Focus on your toes. Focus on your ankle, your knee, and your buttock. Just relax. Relax your whole back, lower, upper part, middle part, your shoulders, your fingers, your wrist, elbow, fully relax. Relax your abdomen, your chest, your neck, relax. Relax your ear, your cheeks, your nose, and your eyes. Relax your forehead and your head. Now fully relax. Now sit without focus. Just try to straight. Now deep breathe. So take long inhale and deep exhale. Long inhale and deep exhale. Slowly rub your palms for the eyes. Slowly open your eyes under the palms and release. So all relaxed.
So now we'll be open to Q&A session. So everybody might be thinking what laughter yoga is, how it started, any questions on laughter yoga, or any other question. We will be very happy to answer about it. So you can just comment in your questions and we'll answer them. Also do share your feedback. How was the session? How are you feeling right now? What are the benefits of laughter yoga? To summarize, we'll say some of the benefits. Laughter yoga helps you to oxygenate your body, mind. It helps the respiratory system. It energizes the body. It helps you to increase your immune system. What are the benefits? Yes, so these are the benefits, some of the benefits. If you laugh a lot, then definitely you have very good friends. Your bonding with your friends, family members is very good. You make a lot of friends. Then there are like various benefits. You name any benefit. Stress management. If you are a very stressed person and you practice laughter yoga for few weeks and months, then you will be the stress will definitely go off. Also, you'll have a smiling face. People will not feel offended. They will not run away from you. Thank you. Thank you. The session was so good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We feel very happy that you practiced with us.
Check questions.
Brahmari is very relaxing. Yes, everybody should practice Brahmari.
Brahmari practice daily. If you have a sleep problem, then try before sleeping and every day. It's very good for migraine, headache, insomnia. So try daily with regular, and Brahmari practice you can 5 to 10 minutes daily, or morning, evening, before sleeping. It's in Brahmari lots of benefits.
Can we do this every day and timings?
Yeah, you can do every day, but Singhasana is only try 1 or 2 times only. Do not more over, otherwise it will hurt your neck.
All other laughter yoga techniques you can practice daily. You can practice in the morning, evening, whenever you are free, before any important difficult meeting with your boss. Do practice laughter yoga.
There are lots of types for it's like baby laughter, age laughter, young laughter.
You have back pain and you want to practice laughter yoga, so don't worry, don't exert yourself while going down. You can do all the practices which we did while standing as well. So you can clap while standing and laugh while raising your hands. Why we demonstrate that while bending and going up is because when you go up, your heart opens up. So that is the only aim. But if you have a back pain, you can practice while standing as well or sitting. Thank you everyone for participating. Do practice laughter yoga wherever you are, whenever you can, whenever you find time. In this stressful COVID-19 times, everybody is now locked up inside your homes. There are a lot of tense moments with your family members. So laughing will help you to avoid those tensions. It will make good bonding with your family members. So keep laughing. Do watch the video again. Those who have joined late, just watch the video from beginning to end and practice laughter yoga. It's not difficult. Everybody can practice. Whatever is your age, if you have any ailment, there is no restriction in yoga. people like have a lot of excuses that I have back pain, I cannot do some of the asana, but for laughter yoga, none of those excuses will work. Believe me. Yes, so we are open for questions. We are almost in the last 5 to 10 minutes of the session. Do ask your questions and we'll be happy to answer. A small intro again about us.
Yeah, I am Sundar Vishnoi.
And I am Ashok Vishnoi, and we both are from Khushi Se Yoga. So that is what laughter yoga, Khushi Se Yoga. Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you, Gaurav, for practicing with us. And you're feeling very happy. That's very good to know. If we have made some improvements in a lot of people's life, and if you're feeling happy in these difficult times, that is our what you can say, the Guru Dakshina which we get from this session. A lot of people have joined late, so we would request you to watch the video on Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance page again and practice laughter yoga with your friends. Do share these videos with your family members, with your friends who are not able to join today due to any reason. You can practice anytime. Can elders do this? What about this, kids? So this is a very interesting question as well as a very good question. We all have seen old age or senior citizens in various parks laughing daily. So they have realized these benefits so late in our life. But all the people who are young and kids, especially kids, laughter yoga is like very beautiful, very beneficial. You all should practice, you all should learn. Everybody can do it, as I previously said. There is no age limitation, no disease limitation. If you have any disease, still you can practice laughter yoga.
That means everyone can do laughter yoga. There is no bounding. So try every day, and each one of your family members, your friends.
Yeah, except some situation like if you go on a funeral, don't start laughing and say that Khushi or Sundar or Ashok said that yeah, we have to laugh every time. Though there are some situations where you don't laugh, but yeah, otherwise else everywhere you can. Thank you Shantu Chaudhary for the comments. Thank you so much. Thank you Ghanshyam. Do practice and follow us on Khushi Se Yoga for more such sessions, and Bajaj Allianz who are conducting every alternate day lot of sessions to keep everybody stay at home, stay fit, as their motivation or the line goes, jab
सोच पे no lockdown, तो life goals पे no lockdown.
So stay home, stay safe, and keep practicing yoga, laughter yoga, any fitness activity which is comfortable for you as per your time, and be fit, be healthy. Any other questions? We have last few minutes. Yes, so the session will be on the wall page of Bajaj Allianz Life, and keep watching it again and again. Do share it with your friends and keep laughing. Thank you everyone for your positive comments. This means that you have definitely practiced, and that is why you are saying that you are feeling happy. So thank you Vibhuti Ranjan for participating and joining with us, with your family. Some people are sending a lot of smileys, laughter smileys. Thank you Dhanashri for joining in. Okay, so we'll end the session with a quick recap of the benefits of laughter yoga, so that you watch this session again and practice with your family members. Laughter yoga has a lot of benefits. It is a very good technique for anger management, stress management. These are the two problems which everybody is facing in these difficult times. Second, it oxygenates your body, so your respiratory system feels activated after laughter yoga. Even though it is fake laughter, but if fake laughter is done continuously for a long period, the body cannot differentiate whether it is fake or real laughter. Third thing is it elevates your mood. So if you are feeling very low, if you are feeling not a good mood, then if you practice laughter yoga, it elevates your mood. Final but not the least is you with your family members have a very good bond if you laugh every day. So the thing which we see nowadays is people are very angry, very sad, and they take out this angerness on their family members, on their kids. But we would suggest that no, do laughter yoga with your family members, do laughter yoga, practice laughter yoga with your kids, and have a very healthy life. Thank you everyone for the session.
So once again, thank you so much Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance to a great initiative, Fitness from Home.
जब सोच पे no lockdown, life goals पे no lockdown. Stay home, stay safe.
Stay safe.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Thank you so much.